Yeah, the way here was awesome. The mountains are beautiful, so beautiful here in Albania.
Our another stop are those thermal springs with man-made pools, so we're gonna try a few of them and we will see which one is the best. It's like a bit colder coffee, it's not cold, it's not hot, it's okay. I think if it would a bit lower temperature, it would be perfect. We're gonna try another one. This one looks a bit cleaner and warmer. Yeah, this one is for sure much warmer. We are going to try another pool. This is the biggest one and it looks like the deepest one. So let's go inside because I'm freezing. This one is for sure the warmest one. We came to those last pools and they are still warm, but not that much. And you can really smell sulfur here. It's like when you are inside of the old egg, like really old one.
This is our spot for tonight and it's just next to the river. Really nice green, blue river. After thermal springs I feel really tired, so I am really glad that we are here and we can enjoy a little bit of this beautiful nature and get some relax. So yeah.
After a beautiful morning on that nice spot, we went to the Gjirokaster. There is quite a lot of things to see, but it's too hot and we didn't want to, so we just ate a breakfast and drank a coffee. And now we are heading to the Blue Eye. And on our way is this cave. We had a bit problem to find it, but here we are. So we will check it out, what is inside, and let's see. Okay. It's quite scary here. Like it looks like the end, but it's not the end. It's some old water pump here, and when I threw the stone into the quite big hole, on the end it was some water, so we think that they were taking the water from here. I'm preparing for a bath, for a cold bath, because the water, Michael says, should have 10 degrees for a whole year, so we'll see. Today it's 30 degrees, so it's hot, and I'm hot, No, I'm overheated. That's the right word, but for sure I'm hot. And yeah, he doesn't believe that I will go in. I'm not sure if I believe myself, but we'll see in a bit. Yeah. The Blue Eye. It's a spring which has 10 degrees temperature for whole year. Blue eye is because all those blue colors what it has, and the divers were in a depth of 50 meters, but actually it's unknown how deep this spring is.
It's my third visit of Blue Eye. Refreshing water, really nice colors, and this valley is so green. I like it here. If I visit Albania again, definitely will come here again.
Finally, the sea. We came yesterday in the evening, then we found this place, so we woke up by the sea with the waves and it was really nice, so finally we are here.
Ancient Butrint. People inhabited this small peninsula in the south of Albania in prehistoric times. Long before the first Roman ships arrived and established a colony here. During this time the city flourished, and it is estimated that around 10,000 people lived here. The residents had a good life. There were theaters, baths, shops, temples and other conveniences of that time. Even an aqueduct was built across the bay for water supply coming from a spring 4 kilometers away. After the fall of the Roman Empire, the fame of Butrint began to decline, until it was finally forgotten. Thanks to archaeologists, we can walk through the places where thousands of people spend their lives.
We are heading to Vlore, where we're gonna sleep in a hostel after 10 days of camping, and on our way is Gjipe canyon. So we're gonna walk through the canyon and we're gonna reach this Gjipe beach. Let's go!
Start of the trek is a little bit boring, but it's getting better and better. And now I'm standing on the top of the canyon and I cannot see the bottom.
We are finally on a beach. Now we're gonna check the canyon from the bottom, and after that we are going to swim in the sea, so I cannot wait because it's so hot. Last part today of our ride was shortcut, which was quite hard, off-road with the huge and small and all of the stones, so it was funny, but that's okay because today we're gonna sleep on this place next to the sea, so it's gonna be really nice, and tomorrow we will see what we're gonna see because we don't know yet. guy from hostel, he recommended to us this restaurant. It's traditional Albanian with the seafood. And I like just the salmon, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I will try something. I don't know what fish is this, what do they have here, so just try some. Our last day in Vlore and we're gonna go on a pirate trip. So we should see a cave, we should see on a military island, and after that we should relax on some beach. So I cannot wait to be there. The pirate boat stopped at the beach. Here we've got like 2-3 hours to just chill, eat, drink something, whatever. And if we're gonna have enough people, then we can go into the cave, which I wanted, so I hope it's gonna happen.
This cave served sailors and often pirates as a refuge. It was confirmed by the finds at the bottom of the cave.
The cave is pretty awesome. I'm glad that we came on this boat trip and we could go in, and Michael was swimming, so it was quite cool and it's quite huge, so yeah, I like it, it was amazing.
We are on Sazan Island, and this used to be a military base, and now it's abandoned and it's free to walk here for 1 hour, so we have to be really quick. Co pojďme do kina?
Konečně jdem do kina. Po dlouhé době. We are back, we already packed our stuff and now we are heading to Berat. I think we are not gonna reach it today, so we will sleep somewhere on the way, on some nice place, and tomorrow we're gonna be in Berat.
On our way to Osum Canyon, we stop in Berat. It's called the City of Thousand Windows and we are going to explore it a bit. Berat is divided by Osum River, and centuries ago on that side used to live Muslims, and on that side used to live mostly Christians. Hey, it's my ice cream. Don't touch it.
He's got a better ice cream a bit. This one is with nuts, the white one. It's really delicious.
What we are going to do now?
Now we are going to those really cute old nice streets to the historic center, which is on a UNESCO list, and there should be some ruins and fortress and few more interesting things.
I like these calm narrow streets, almost without tourists, just for us. We are at the old fortress and I like it the way it is because it's really authentic and it looks like they left it how it was, so we are going to go inside.
Here they've got a water cistern. Now is there still water, and some mess, but pretend that you don't see it. And it's quite huge, and maybe some bat is there also. I'm really glad that we stopped here in Berat. At first we wanted to go just through, just to drink a coffee, and on the end we just stopped here and we say, okay, it looks nice, so we take a walk and let's see what is here, and I'm really glad that we did it because it's really awesome here. So I can highly recommend to come and visit it here and stay for 1-2 days because I think it's a lot of things to explore here. We ordered a mix of traditional food, so we can try a lot of things. What do they have here? Let's try because I'm hungry.
We ate it almost all, but it was a really tough job.
Yeah. Even a cat had a small piece of chicken.
Yeah.
We stopped by the first waterfall. Now we have to go down to find out if is there some. I hope it is. To the waterfall are 2 ways, like those small ways, so I hope it's gonna be okay. And let's see how big the waterfall is. Behind me you can see stonefall, dustfall, whatever. There is no waterfall. So I hope we will find at least one, because it looks like maybe they are just on a spring and the start of the summer because of the snow which is melting.
The bottom of the canyon is really nice because there is shade. I'm fascinated how strong his nature is, how strong the river is, because you can see the layers of the rock. It has to last like millions of years to create something like this. So it's really fascinating to me.
Now we are searching for some place where to sleep. We had an idea. It was that in Bogove is a waterfall and we wanted to sleep next to him. But we took the way up and it looks like the small river where should be a waterfall. It's dry now. So we are walking a bit down because there is another river, so we will check it out if we will see some waterfall.
I'm pretty sweaty after that ride, so I'm going to jump straight away into that cold water.
Takhle se jezdí na motorce.
No.
Nebo ten kámen, tady. Tohle místo bylo jedno z nejlepších míst, kde jsme za celou tu dobu spali a kde jsme mohli spát. Jsem ráda, že jsme nespali nahoře, ale že jsme si dali tu práci a projeli tou příšernou offroadovou cestou až sem.
Už se těším na tu cestu zpět těma 3 brodama a tím blátíčkem a offroadíčkem.
Jo, bude sranda. viděli krásný západ slunce do moře, potom jsme přijeli sem na pláž a měli jsme takovou jako super romantickou představu. Kolem 10 jsme šli spát a vůbec to tak romanticky nebylo, jak jsme si představovali. Ale naučili jsme se 3 věci dnešní noc. Za prvý, nespěte pod úplníkem, pod širákem, když nesnášíte světlo, když se snažíte usnout, což mě teda vůbec nešlo, on teda vytuhl, já ne. Druhá věc, co jsme se naučili, nespěte úplně pod širákem na pláži, protože může začít docela foukat vítr a není to úplně ono, když vás ten písek šlehá do tváře. No a třetí věc, někdy po půlnoci jsme začali stavět stan, protože už se to nedalo vydržet. Takže když si budete stavět stan na pláži, prosím vás, nejdřív si to místo hezky vyrovnejte. Včera jsem se naučila ještě jednu novou věc, a to, jak se jezdí po písku. Nikdy jsem nejela po ledě, ale mám pocit, že kdybych jela po ledě, tak je to úplně stejný, jako když jsem jela včera po písku. Teďka nás čeká cesta zpátky tady po tom písku, takže doufám, že ani jeden nezapadnem, protože několik aut tady jak včera, tak dneska zapadlo, ale to byli žabaři.
Od pláže jsme se dostali zpátky do hor, trošku nám klesla teplota, ale to nevadí. Užili jsme si perfektní jízdu krásnou krajinou do Fierze, odkud pojedeme dál trajektem, je to asi 3hodinová plavba. Tenhle malý trajekt se stal v dnešní době spíš atrakcí než běžným dopravním prostředkem a není se čemu divit, poněvadž ty výhledy z ní jsou opravdu úžasný a já jsem tam snad neviděl nikoho domácího, je to v podstatě pro turisty udělaný. Silnice od včerejšího trajektu byla docela rozbitá, stan jsme stavili až po setmění. A nocovali jsme tady vedle Skadarského jezera, dneska se chystáme do Tet, což bude nejspíše naše poslední destinace tady v Albánii a pak už zamíříme na sever. Jsme v Tétách, já jsem očekával nějaký offroad, dneska už je to komplet vyasfaltovaný od Škodaru až do Tét. Jediný offroad, který jsme si dali, bylo cesta k ubytování, asi 1,5 km, 2 kilometry takový kamenitý cesty a teď už jsme konečně ubytovaný a začneme si užívat tady sluníčka nádherného počasí.
We've got a beautiful morning, so we are heading to Blue Eye of Death because one blue eye wasn't enough, so we have to see another one. And on the way we will stop by the Grunas waterfalls.
Not bad place where to enjoy a cup of coffee, don't you think?
No, we are still not lost. There is a water. There is a waterfall. Let's go there.
It's kind of steep, but it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
This is the best waterfall ever for teenagers because you have router there and she's got Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi is working like unbelievable. I cannot believe. It's crazy. Why here?
Because you can now take a photo and instantly post on Instagram. Yeah?
We saw our second blue eye here in Albania, and now we can go back, enjoy the last piece of Snickers and last piece of juice, and we can go. It's pretty nice here, but it's quite a lot of people, and they made the bar here, which is kind of nice, but it doesn't have to be here.
We are coming back, and if I can compare both blue eyes, I have to say that first one I like more, and this is because the water coming from the underground and has beautiful colors. And this one, there's a waterfall, it's really nice too, but the first one for me was much better. I really don't like that restaurant there because, you know, you want to enjoy nature. I think it's a national park, so it not should be there. You can enjoy a restaurant at the village, but there, I don't think so.
We've got the dinner at 7 o'clock. We don't have much time, so we took this bus, taxi, I don't know. So it's gonna be much faster. And it's quite funny, right? Today we will go to border of Montenegro, like that close as we can. We will sleep somewhere around, and tomorrow we are gonna be on our way to home. So, yeah.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm
we crossed the border to Montenegro. We wanted to go straight away to Czech Republic, but we have a little bit of time. We decided to explore a bit of Montenegro, so Tomorrow in the morning we will go to a cave. It's like 500 meters from this place where we are gonna sleep. In our tent and temporary house I slept very well, and there is a stream. I will go try how is the water.
Jdeš do vody?
Bláznilné. From our house, what we slept yesterday, we are going to visit a cave, and the sign says it should be 2.5 kilometers far away, but I don't think so, because the map says something different, and somebody corrected here that it should be not even 1 kilometer, which is more correct. Docela džungla to tady je, au, jau. Maybe is there something a bit more, but they are huge and slippery rocks, so we are not gonna risk it, but still it's so cool here. I'm glad that we came.
This cave is awesome. We've been to some caves, but it's totally different. A lot of rocks and it's huge. There's a water, for me the best one. Now we have to move a bit, so we go to Kotor, and from Kotor to Mostar, which is in Bosnia in Herzegovina. We have to cross the border and carry on to our home. Yeah. Now we are standing on the other side of the Bay of Kotor, and we rode all the way, almost all the way around. I highly recommend the way from the cave to Kotor because it's really wide, perfect surface. You really enjoy the ride there, and at the end is beautiful serpentine with beautiful views, so really recommend that way. After warm times, we have really freezing morning. Yeah, we are almost home and it's autumn. We have to get used to it now. It's not easy.